Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today I will be discussing the Excel NOT function. Excel's NOT function is used when you want to make sure one value is not equal to another. There is only one argument, logical, a value or expression that can be evaluated to true or false. If the logical is false, NOT returns true. If the logical is true, NOT returns false. Here are some basic examples. Equals not, open parentheses, false, close parentheses. This returns true. Equals not, open parentheses, true, close parentheses. This returns false. Equals not, open parentheses, 1 plus 1 equals 2, close parentheses, returns false because 1 plus 1 is a true statement. Equals not, open parentheses, 2 plus 2 equals 5, close parentheses, returns true, because 2 plus 2 equals 5 is a false statement. Here is a real-world example that combines the if, and, or, and not functions. You can find videos on these functions in the description below. We want to calculate commission and bonuses. The rules for these are, to earn commission, the salesperson must match or exceed a total sales of $8,500 or account goals of 5. To earn the bonus, the salesperson must match or exceed bonus goal of $12,500 and account goals of 5. Here is the syntax for the formula. We will use the if function to determine if the statement is true or false. If true, then it will compute the commission. If false, it will return 0. We will use the or function to determine if either statement is true. We will use the not function to reverse the comparison logic. In cell D12, we will enter the commission formula. Equals if, open parentheses, or, open parentheses, not, open parentheses, B12 is less than $B, $3, close parentheses, comma, not, open parentheses, C12 less than $B, $4, close parentheses, comma, B12 times $B, $5, comma, 0, close parentheses. As you can see, everyone except Amy received a commission. Amy did not match or exceed total sales, nor match or exceed account goals. Now for our bonus formula. As before, we will use the if function to determine if the statement is true or false. Instead of or, we will use the and function to determine if both statements are true. We will use the not function to reverse the comparison logic. In cell E12, we will enter the bonus formula. Equals if, open parentheses, and, open parentheses, not, open parentheses, B12, less than, $B, $6, close parentheses, comma, not, open parentheses, C12, less than, $B, $4, close parentheses, comma, B12, times, $B, $7, comma, 0, close parentheses. As you can see, only Margot and Brad received the bonus because they both matched or exceeded the account goal and the bonus goal. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.